Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on resume building with LinkedIn Learning, detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started with saving on resume building using LinkedIn Learning, first, visit the LinkedIn website and log into your account. If you don't have an account, create one using your email address and a secure password. Once logged in, navigate to the Learning section at the top of the homepage. Here, you will find a wide variety of professional courses tailored to enhance your skills. Use the search bar to input keywords relevant to your desired career to find specific courses. Explore courses that focus on relevant skills for your target job title or industry. Next, select a course that interests you and review its description along with the course outline. Consider choosing courses that offer certificates upon completion, as these can be valuable additions to your resume. Before enrolling, check if your employer provides LinkedIn Learning access, as this could save you subscription costs. If eligible, follow the instructions to access LinkedIn Learning through your employer. After enrolling in your selected course, set aside dedicated time each week to complete the lessons. Engage actively with the course materials by taking notes and completing assignments. Upon completion of the course, download or save the certificate provided. Add this certificate to your LinkedIn profile and your resume to highlight your new skills. Consider sharing your learning journey and accomplishments in LinkedIn posts to increase visibility. Regularly update your resume with new skills and completed courses to reflect your ongoing professional development. Finally, return to LinkedIn Learning periodically to discover new courses that could further enhance your resume. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.